Guys, I start frying my, what are you seeing inside is gari. I use gari to fry this my groundnut. This is my petty business. You understand? This is 2 kilo of groundnut that I bought here. So you know it's too expensive. So if I dey put them for bottle, no sir, no carry am for Africa, bring I buy for here. This is 2 kilo of groundnut. You understand? So I go dey fry am. And when you're frying groundnut, now it's too heavy. You understand? When it starts to fry well, you see that the groundnut is very, very light. This stick go dey pass very fast. So I use groundnut gari to fry it. You can also use salt to fry it. You can use sand to fry it. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, the funniest thing on groundnut is if you're frying, you have to be there steady. Yeah, even though before you go burn oil, you have to be there. And look at that gari that was shining now. Look at, guys, look at the gari now. It don't they change color because I dey use now the gari fry. I don't have sand, so you have to be there steady. Now I'm just standing. So if they chop my groundnut, I beg add small 1 cent on top. If I dey stand am for you, won't put me money for your account. You want to pay me for the work what they do, put small jara for cents, so add small 10 cents or 50 cents on top for my work. It's not easy. Yeah, for all those people they fry groundnut, it's not easy. Look at, see the gari run the burn. Look at, they use gari to fry. Either you use sand, you use salt, but it's good to use gari. If you want on any site, I go post them. We go chat, send me DM. I go send them the price for you for 1.5 liter. So that you go they chop them with chin chin. You mix them with chin chin, you they chop. When visitor come your house or you yourself now, you know people they like babes now. So when babes don't come visit, you go just put them for small plate. Babes, let's be eating cacahuetes. So guys, I did for the work. The work now to stand. It's not easy. Where you see person they say frying groundnut, give kudos. Even chin chin say if you sit down frying groundnut, you go there they steady. Yes, my wonderful people. See as they do peeling. I beg if you stay buy this my groundnut. Very clean groundnut. See as they peel. They see am. I don't fry am more. See as they peel. Very shining. See the back, very clean. Winter, you know you no get too much salt. My wonderful people, work the groundnut bet. You understand? So you want buy one bottle them. I beg, if 50 cents you add them for me for my work. Yeah. Now they work now for peeling. Another work after standing frying and peeling now. Thank you for watching.